It's Wednesday morning and I came out yesterday afternoon fairly late and I started organizing the first drawer, and you can see that here. Basically what I'm doing is I'm taking stuff off the tool board that kind of go together, or if not go together, are most used, and I'm pushing those up towards the top of the toolbox, right? So this next drawer has screwdrivers, but not all of the screwdrivers. I got a full set up there. I don't know if you can't see them. I'm only putting the most used ones in this drawer. The rest of those will go down in a further drawer. You know, maybe it doesn't make sense to break them up like that, but to me it does, because these are the ones I'm going to use, and those are the ones that I may use. So, you know, they'll still be accessible, but they'll be further down inside the cabinet. I said in a recent video that I was thinking about getting back into building speakers more seriously, and I was considering starting a new channel to show that stuff on. However, I got to thinking that I have a channel already. It has 200,000 subscribers already, so I could convert that over to that. So I was going to make a video to post there to kind of warn the people that have subscribed to that channel that if they're not into the subject, then they can, you know, unsubscribe or whatever. I won't be hurt. I won't be offended. Not everybody is into that stuff. But I thought I would kick it off with that video and then start putting stuff on there. It wouldn't be, you know, it wouldn't be like every week type thing. It'd be an occasional thing. So the problem is I don't have a name for the channel. So that's the purpose of this video. I want suggestions for a name, a catchy name, a good name for that channel, okay? It has to have something to do with speakers or audio or sound or something like that. And whoever gives me the best name gets plans for free for life. They can send me their email, mosquito, and I will send all of the plans I currently have for free. And any plan that I make in the future, they'll also get for free. It has to be good though. It has to be something I'm going to use. Otherwise you don't win. So put on your thinking cap and come up with something really good. So that's the channel name taken care of, hopefully. The other thing is channel logo. If you're good at graphic design and you want to take a shot at designing something, you'll get the same deal. Plans for life. There's an email in the description where you can send your ideas. Okay, that goes for both the channel name and also the logo design.